Most people think saving money is hard, but the truth is, it doesn't have to be. The real problem isn't income. It's not having a clear plan for your money. Every month, money comes in, expenses go out, and sometimes nothing is left at the end. This creates stress, frustration, and the feeling that saving is impossible for beginners. But if you are a beginner in 2026, this video will guide you step by step to take control. Before we begin, like this video and subscribe to Money Clarity for easy, practical tips. The first step is awareness. You cannot manage money you don't track. Start by writing down your fixed expenses: rent, bills, subscriptions, transport. Next, list flexible expenses: groceries, eating out, shopping, entertainment, small daily purchases. Don't worry about perfection. Clarity is what counts. Know exactly where your money goes. Step 2 is paying yourself first. Move money to savings at the start of the month. Even a small amount saved consistently becomes significant over time. Step 3 is realistic goals. Beginners often try to save too much and give up. Start small, stay consistent, and increase gradually as your income grows. Step 4. Keep your savings separate from spending money. Separate accounts prevent accidental spending and help track progress clearly. Automation helps. Set automatic transfers every month so saving becomes easy. Saving works best with a purpose: emergency fund, future goals, or financial freedom. Over time, this plan improves both your money and your mindset. It moves you from stress to confidence, building a strong financial foundation. Celebrate small wins every month to reinforce your saving habits. As saving becomes a habit, start thinking about investing for future growth. Even small, consistent investments grow over time into something significant. If this video helps you, like, subscribe, share with friends, and comment your first saving goal.